everyone. We are back with Glen Velvet Reviews today. And I don't know if I made this part of the other video or it's too long. I'm not sure what goes on when I make these, but I'm gonna start the building and installation process of the sink, the Zenna utility or laundry sink that I got, that I did an unboxing on. So we're going to start this process and open this up. All right, so the legs are labeled as B, so you just gotta slide them in here. All right, so this is gonna be the towel bar. I think this is called, this is C right here, and you're gonna put it in B. It says weight position right here. And then this goes up and then it twists right on. There's threads right here. All right, so this is the end result, so you can expect it to look like it's gonna pull out just enough to get around the sink. Has two different sprayers, and then it kind of goes right back in. This was only $115. I mean, you know, don't have an expectation of a $200 one, just letting you know. It is flimsy, but you know, I overdo everything, so I'm gonna secure this to the studs on my wall. It's not gonna move ever again, so I don't need to worry about that. The legs, I guarantee you, with the shelf in there, it's gonna be stabilized and be able to hold, you know, 100, 200 pounds of water that we're never gonna have in here anyway. All right, so I'm gonna show you the top real quick. So this is the top, and it says in the manual that you can lay the top in here, like so, and you can have a platform to be able to clean stuff. So I'm gonna ask my mom what does she want, because I'm gonna either leave this up here or I'm gonna put it on the bottom. But that is really cool. Look, so you can kind of clean and scrub right on here and you're not bending down. So it's really, really cool. And my mom is really gonna appreciate that. Let me see what it looks like on the shelf. All right, so I just want to let you know the shelf on the bottom is very tough to get in without the legs being secured to something, because they're going to be stretched out. And if you put weight in here, they're really going to go out. This is what it looks like. You go like this, see? Very simple. Hopefully you guys can see that. See? So it goes like this. You're going to be standing on that side, has the little board, and that's it. So I think it's a pretty cool little setup. So that's all I'm going to do for the installation for now, because I need to run piping and do all that. I'm way too lazy to do that. I think it's like 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning. All right, so everyone enjoy, be safe, have a good one, and talk to you guys later.